Grogh, this is your goddess. I thought I would change forms to spice things up. I see you've been giving attention to girls with dark hair and nice revealing breasts. So, did I get your attention?
Well, hell yeah.
Are you thinking about other women or killing right now?
No. Oh, not dead yet. Let me go. Let me go. Come on. Let me go. Shut up. So what makes you think I'm not paying attention? Okay, maybe I have a problem keeping attention a little bit, but you gotta remember, my love for you has no reason, has no season, or retaliation.
Just remember, your love serves me well, and I can be anything you need me to be as long as you love me. Temple, my love, how long must I live this charade?